Hello guys, welcome to PyPower Projects. So in this series of Pathway for Data Science, we will be concluding our first video, that is Data Science, the Big Picture. Before we begin, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. So let's begin the video. Data science is one of the most emerging term in the 21st century. So let me introduce you to what is data science. Data science is generally what data scientists do, but data science is a conventional definition. Data science is an interdisciplinary field which uses scientific methods, processes, algorithms, and systems just to extract the knowledge and insights from data. Data is of two types generally, structural and unstructured data. But in normal terms, data science is an intersection of computer knowledge, statistical knowledge, and expertise of that particular domain from which the data belongs. Now let me introduce you why to learn data science. Data is the fuel of the 21st century. And this statement was given by Dave Copeland from Microsoft. It is also predicted that data will be the foremost feature on which the next world war will be fought. Now let me make you see the demand and future in data science. Demand for data scientists have increased drastically in this near future. As per you can see in the graph, the demand will be soaring up to 23, almost up to 28 percentage maybe every year. Glassdoor, which is an online job portal in North America, predicts the shortage of data scientists across the continent. There would be nearly 2 million jobs vacant till 2030. Let me discuss the future scope of data science. Future scope depends on the demand for job at a glance. So, there is 28% projected increase in data scientists through 2020. Nearly 2024, quarter a million jobs will be vacant. And every 3 out of the 5 jobs in finance, IT, and professional services is related to data science and analytics. Now let me introduce you which tech giants are investing in data scientists. Tech giants like Google, Facebook, Amazon, Uber, Microsoft, Apple are investing in hiring data scientists and machine learning engineers. The reason is they have millions and millions of data sets. They need to find insights out of their data sets to get something better and new for their customers. Now let's see what's the scope of data science in India and United States. In United States, data science job listings are very high. The nearly average data scientist at an entry level, as a fresher level, nearly roughly earns near $100,000 a year. And data scientists in India with somewhat of experience in data science earns nearly 25 lakhs per annum. And the major cities like Bangalore, Delhi, Mumbai, Pune, Chennai, and Hyderabad are hiring data scientists. Companies like TCS, Flipkart, HP, Wipro, and Samsung are also hiring data scientists for their use. Also, let's after knowing how data science is emerging, you will be feeling how to become a data scientist. So let's discuss a little bit career track for the data scientist. A data scientist who is aspiring for making a career should practice and learn the concepts of data science. After learning the concept, you should attach yourself with a mentor, take good projects by making some strong online presence, enrolling yourself in a good data science community, building a good network which will boost your CV, and then you should apply for a job. In this career track, One thing you should remember is learning is the most important feature rather than money. Your salaries would be quite enough to engage you in highly luxurious life. Rather, let's discuss the tasks and tools that data scientists use in the near future. Let's discuss the task. Data scientist has to perform several tasks, but the foremost important task is understanding the problem definition. Business stakeholders need something specific from that data, and first you need to understand the problem definition, what the stakeholders need from this data. After that, they go for data mining, they prepare the data for analysis, they build models, and they evaluate the models on the perfect databases. So, what are the tools that data scientists use in their daily life? This is a rough idea. They use Python, R, SQL, scikit-learn, NumPy, and pandas. After seeing this lot of tools, you might be confused. Which tools are used for which task? So let's divide the tools per task. We need to store data because we have millions of data sets. For that we use Hadoop, MySQL, MongoDB. We even need to transform data from one to another, so we use Python, SQL, and Spark for that feature. For modeling, we use SciPy, scikit-learn, TensorFlow, Pandas, and Spark. For visualizing data, we use Matplotlib, ggplot2, and other tools like Kafka and AWS are also useful. Now let's discuss what kind of roles a data scientist has to perform. Data scientists perform and work in team with data engineer and business stakeholders. Data scientists are generally placed below a CIO, that is Chief Information Officer. Data engineer provides data storage capacities and big data to the data scientist, on which data scientists perform analysis and interpret the complex data and extract and discover some knowledge to assist the business stakeholders in decision making. This is how a data scientist has to perform a role on a daily basis. Now let's discuss which languages are used for in data science. In data science, mostly we use Python, R, and SQL. It can also be proved by seeing the percentage of job listing which require these skills as a data scientist. I would also personally refer you to take a course on Python, R, and SQL. Other languages and tools are optional and can be learned as you conduct a project or complete a data science course. Also, there are some of the communities which I would prefer you to join. The best community for data science is Kaggle. And even if you want to explore and build your good network, you should also enroll yourself in DataQuest, 365 Data Science, GitHub, IBM Watson Community, and Data Science Saloon. These communities hold the future and data scientists and solve their problems. Now let's discuss the applications of data science. Applications of data science are wide enough. But the foremost application comes in travel, marketing, healthcare, social media, sales, automation, and credit insurance. Some of the companies which are hiring data scientists highly belong to IT and services, banking sector, e-commerce, healthcare, retail, and some other companies. After we have discussed a data science overview, let me debunk you with some misconception that an aspiring data scientist may have. Foremost misconception is data scientist versus data engineer. Some people overlap this thing so that they can use these terms interchangeably. But I refrain that data engineer and data scientist are same. No. Data engineer is expertise in programming and system implementation and database administration. while data scientists use the data provided by the data engineer, programs and build statistical models, visualize the data, and briefly tell the insights as a story to the stakeholders and help them in decision making. Now, another misconception people have is with data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. They feel like data science is the universal set of AI, machine learning, and deep learning. But actually, data science covers and touches the aspects of deep learning neural networks, machine learning algorithms, and even some aspects of artificial intelligence. Data science is strictly based on analytical evidence found in structured and unstructured data, highly related with data operations. While artificial intelligence imposes human intellectual to machines and builds a logic and decision trees, which also includes machine learning, and machine learning being a subset of artificial intelligence uses statistical models and machine itself learns from its previous experience. And deep learning is not more than neural networks impracticaling a human brain, how a human brain thinks. To identify things is generally deep learning. After debunking some misconceptions, let me introduce you to some prestigious certificates as a data scientist. There is mostly 7 certificates that are available, and there are many available, but some prestigious certificates are these: Certified Analytics Professional CAP, IBM Data Science Professional Certificate. It's also one of the most prestigious certificate. SAS Certified Data Scientist, Microsoft Data Management and Analytics, Open Certified Data Scientist, Dell EMC Data Science Track, and Google Data and Machine Learning. I would personally refer you to earn at least 1 or 2 certificates as per your requirements. Now let's discuss the summary what we have discussed in this whole video. We've gone through the introduction and why to learn data science. We have discussed the market scope, demand and future for data science, how to become a data scientist, its tasks, tools and roles as a data scientist, which languages are used and which communities to enroll, various applications of data science. We just debunked some misconception and discussed about some of the prestigious certificates. So this is nearly the end of the video, but in the next video we will be discussing top data science jobs. Data science is generally distributed in a team. It's a teamwork for a data scientist, architect, data engineer, statistician, machine learning engineer, data science manager, and decision scientist. So we will discuss each of those in the next video, and till then, see you soon and thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.